Enough Said, directed by Nicole Holofcener, is a real gem of a rom-com. James Gandolfini in his last movie, and Julia Louis-Dreyfus shine as two divorced people who meet and connect in a simple but beautifully told story. The script is smart and funny, making you fall for the characters right away. The conflict that unfolds in the second act feels natural, and the film builds toward a sweet and satisfying ending. With great humor and heart, it's an easy, genuine rom-com that just works. Definitely an easy recommendation. I give this a 95 out of 100. Thanks for watching. Bye.